What a difference 24 hours can make. Many of you relaxing at home last night were met with a loud pounding of hail on your roofs. This is video one of our viewers, Michaela Rohrs, sent us showing what it was like in her neighborhood in Greensboro. The problem with hailstorms is many times they leave behind some expensive damage. We're talking roofs that need replacing, and that can cost anywhere between $6,000 and more than $50,000, depending on, among other factors, materials, the size of your house, and where exactly you live. Good evening. This is the Fox 8 10 o'clock news. I'm Neil McNeil.
And I'm Katie Nordine. Fox 8's Cassie Fambro tagged along with Five Star Roofing today to a house in Brown Summit that needs a full roof replacement.
Mike Cottle took this video of the storm as lightning flashed in the distance Sunday night.
I think we had dozed off, and we woke up abruptly to the sound of tremendous hail on the roof.
After it passed, they checked the house and their cars. Both were damaged.
I figured there might be some roof damage. I called Eddie this morning, and they jumped right on it.
Eddie and Shannon Lease own Five Star Roofing, and Mike's call was one of many they received after the storm hit.
It's been crazy. We've had Facebook messages, calls, contacts through our website.
Lease says it's important to notify insurance and line up a licensed inspector right away.
If they see damage to their cars, the driveways, mailboxes, even trampolines, it stands to reason it's impacted the roof as well.
Inspector J.T. Townsley arrived to survey the damage and started by walking around the house.
There are 3 or 4 little punctures in the window screen.
Plus,
We usually take a piece of chalk like this here, and you can see all kinds of dings and dents all the way up the downspout. Okay, so that tells the story that some significant hail occurred here.
and then step by careful step onto the roof.
Lots of hail damage on these shingles.
He marks them.
We see hail damage, and we circle it to identify it.
A closer look, there are circular marks, and they're soft to the touch because the hail has damaged the shingle's integrity.
It breaks away those small granules, which provides the UV protection from the sun, which protects your roofs.
Here we've definitely got, what I would consider textbook hail damage on this roof.
Same story in the back.
This slope, and then even back here, we see very clear hail damage.
Mike gets the news before Townsley comes back down the ladder.
There's really no way to repair this kind of damage, so it definitely warrants a full roof replacement.
Your roof is your front line to your home. You don't want water leaks and things like that because they just damage so much more.
He's grateful he called Five Star Roofing and his insurance company to get the ball rolling and hopes other homeowners do the same.
Information is your friend, so the more information you have, the better decision you can make.
And if you need your roof inspected, roofing companies typically do offer that for free, but always make sure the company is licensed and check their reviews to make sure they're legit.